little too.
Miss,
Just a little. All right, here we go.
I got her in this back because Daniel, he like talks to me.
Okay. Eyes, please.
So it's called.
Ready? What do you see? Andy, what'd you see?
4.
Agree, disagree. Where's my thumbs? Turn those brains on. All right, Kobe. He has 4. How many more to 10? Where's Kobe?
Right here.
There you are.
6.
6. How'd you get 6? What do you know about a 10 frame? How much is this? 5. So if these are all empty, that's 5, and one more is 6. Okay. Bryn, double 6. Agree, disagree? 6 and 6 is 12. Okay. Alan, 12. How many more to 20? Alan says 18 and 12 makes 20.
Closer, closer, because the 18, take away the 10, and the 12 be 18, so it can't be,
Say that again, Emily. Alan, you said 18 and 12 made 20, right?
No.
Right? That's what you said the first time, right? Emily, why do you disagree?
I disagree because, since you already have 2 10s, you could, put those 10s together and make, 20, but you said, 12, how many more to, 20, which that would be 8 if the answer's right there, but it's not 8, it's 8.
So you're saying it's 10 too many? Is that what I heard you say earlier? Okay, so you said you need to get rid of that 10 and just keep
The 8.
the 8?
It'll get you 18.
Alan, how does your groups of 10 help you with your groups of 20? What do you know about 8 and 2?
It equals 10.
It equals 10. So if I have a number that already has one 10, I just need to make the rest of that second 10, right? So if I already have one 10 and 2, and I know from my groups of 10 that 2 and 8 make 10, then 12 and 8 make 20, right? Agree? Disagree? All right. Ready for the next one?
Yep.
Do I have your eyes? All right. Let me find the card. Ready? Kate, what did you see? Anisha, sorry. Ooh, Linnea. Five. She saw 5. How did you see 5? 4 and 1 more makes 5. Agree? Disagree? Good job. All right, Tessica. She has 5. How many more to 10?
5.
5 more? Agree? I would hope that's easy for us. Emily. 5 and 6. 5 plus 6.
5 plus 6, 10.
Jessica just told me that 5 and 5 more was 10. So how can 5 and 6 make 10? 11. How did you get 11?
Because I took the 1 from the 6 and gave it to the 5. Wait, I gave to the 6, I gave to the 6 from the 5, 4, and then I made it 10, and then 1 more.
How can you use what Tuska said about 5 and 5 making 10 to help you? Isn't this a double in here?
Yep. Yeah.
Yeah, so if I have a double, and I know that makes 10, it's just 1 more, right? Okay. All right, Draven, she got you to 11. How many more to 20?
None.
Agree, disagree?
Agree.
Okay. Eric, double 9 for me.
18.
He says 18. How'd you get 18, Eric? you're saying if one of these was a 10 and it was 10 plus 9, it would equal 19. But you know that you have 1, you have to take away 1 to get your 9. So you can take away 1 and get your 18. Did anybody think of it a different way? Andy?
You could take 1 from the 9, make it a 10, and then 8 from the 10.
Take it from the 9 and make it a 10?
Yeah, take it from one of the 9s and add it to the 10. Add it to the other 9. And then it makes 8 and 10, and then 8 plus 10 equals 8. That's a
There
good
you go.
strategy.
Alright, you ready? Now that our brains are warmed up, you ready for today? Alright, here you go. Alright, so Miss Gearhart has 18 teachers to split into 2 equal-sized groups. She decides to have one group sit in 2 rows of 5 and another group sit in 2 rows of 4. Did she split them equally like she wanted to? Yes or no? Oh, just show me with your hands, please. I want to know what you know. Try to talk to your neighbor about why you're thinking they're not in equal groups.
You can do that.
Thank you. Alex, do you think she split them equally? No? Noah, do you agree with Alex?
No.
Do you think she split them equally? Okay. Noah, why do you think she split them equally?
Well, in 2 rows of 5 is 10, and in 2 rows of 8 is 8. It was 18.
2 rows of 4 or 2 rows of 8? 2 rows of 4 is 8, okay. And then what?
Then we split them to 9. Up here.
So you're thinking she needs to just have them split into 2 equal groups of 9? So Noah, Andy, Noah said that she has them into a group of 10 and a group of 8. And that's not equal. She would need to have them in 2 groups of 9. Okay. Agree? Disagree? Is that what you're thinking, Alex? Okay. Alright, so here's my question for us then, because that story problem didn't trick you up. This is where I think you might get confused. Are you ready to do some serious thinking?
Yes.
Which equation could we solve? You just did it in your head, right? Now which equation would we solve to see if she split them into 2 equal groups? Would we solve this one? Or would we solve this one? You have an idea, give me a finger on your nose.
Doesn't say. No? What's plus and what's not?
Okay. Keep thinking and fingers.
It's the same. The other one, 18.
Back row, stay facing the front. The rest of you turn to the person behind. Oh no. Never mind. Turn to your partner. Turn your burner, which one would work? Thank you. It should only take once and we're back to group. Riley, which one do you think it is? You think we're going to add or multiply? You think it's kind of both? Agree, disagree? Testa, you're disagreeing. Which one do you think it is?
The right one.
The one over there, the times, this one?
Yep.
Why do we think it's times? Zoe, what's happening? You agree with her. What's happening to that problem? Oh, Zoe remembered reading these words. And what do we remember about equal size groups? We should multiply, right?
Or divide.
Okay, but here's my question. These are new kind of equations for us, right?
Yeah.
We haven't solved equations like this before. Usually we're solving something that looks like 2 plus 4 equals something, right? Or that missing part. Please don't talk over me. Or that missing part is over in, or the missing is over in the part, right? Our equations say that 2 plus 4 equals 2 plus 5.
No.
And that 2 times 4 equals 2 times 5.
No. Yes.
Okay? You're telling me no, that they don't equal.
No.
You're telling me she didn't split them equally, right, Seraphine?
Yeah.
Okay. You ready to be mathematicians and prove that that's not equal?
Yeah.
All right. So, how are we going to show our thinking? Because right now we're saying that this is false, right? It's not true, it's false. They don't equal each other, right? So, what do we know about multiplication that proves those equations are false? When you have an idea, give me deer antlers. What did you use that you've already learned about multiplication that can prove that they are not equal to each other? Great. Talk to your neighbor. How would you solve that? Marcus, how would you solve it?
Well, it's just, I've done this in one of my books. If you put like 2 plus 4 in...
No, we're not solving this one. We're proving this one. We decided this one isn't going to work.
Oh,
He's gone.
If you're doing 2 times 4, that would equal 8.
How do you know 2 times 4 equals 8?
Because 2 groups of 4 and...
So one group of 4 and one group of 4?
Yeah, and then I add those up and then I equal 8.
Okay.
And 2 times 5 would equal 10. And then...
How do you know it equals 10?
Because there's 2 groups of 5 and then
Okay.
Yeah.